Hi everyone. Welcome to the third week of Chem 3160 Organic Chemistry Laboratory Concepts. So, congratulations for reaching this point of the course. I know that you have done a lot to reach up to this point, and that is really admirable. So, this week we will deal with topics regarding chromatography. It's a little short. It's a little short coverage consisting of thin layer chromatography in Chapter 18, and Chapter 19 is about liquid chromatography, and Chapter 20 is about gas chromatography. So in Chapter 18, thin layer chromatography or TLC, you will be introduced with the topics regarding the plates for TLC, sample applications, and how to develop a TLC plate, and the visualization technique for a TLC analysis. And how are you going to analyze a TLC chromatogram, or a thin layer chromatogram rather? And also, what is a summary of a TLC procedure? And most importantly, you're also going to know how to choose a developing solvent when none is specified in a TLC analysis. And how are we going to use TLC in synthetic organic chemistry? And the sources of confusion and pitfalls in a thin layer chromatographic analysis. Chapter 19 is about liquid chromatography. You will start the chapter with the introduction of liquid, of adsorbents rather, and the different elution solvents, and how are you going to determine the column size. And you will be introduced with the topic regarding flash chromatography as well as microscale liquid chromatography, and what is the summary really of a liquid chromatographic procedure, and the sources of common pitfalls and confusion in a liquid chromatographic techniques. And also, I think this is one of the most important topics. You will be introduced with the topic on the high performance liquid chromatography or HPLC. And the last chapter for this week is a chapter 20, which is about gas chromatography. You will be introduced with the instrumentation for the gas chromatography or GC, and the types of columns and liquid stationary phases involved in the GC, the different types of detectors, recorders, and data stations, and what are the operating procedures involved in a GC, and the sources also of confusion and pitfalls in a GC analysis, and how to identify compounds if you're given a chromatogram, and also how to perform quantitative analysis involving GC analysis.